Namaste students. Today's our topic is interim measures. Provision of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 on interim measure. Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act makes provision on interim measures. By virtue of this section, a party to an arbitration proceeding is entitled to make an application to the civil court for an interim measures if the court considers that the granting of the interim measures is in the interest of justice and will protect the interest of the applicant. The court is empowered to grant the interim measure and issue an interim order. According to this section, a party may, before or during arbitral proceedings or at any time after the making of the arbitral award, but before it is enforced in accordance with section 36, apply to a court for the interim measures mentioned under the section. From the provision of this section, it can be that an applicant can make an interim application before the arbitral proceeding begins, during the arbitral proceeding, after the arbitral award has been delivered by the arbitral tribunal, but before it is enforced under section 36 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. In Sundaram Finance Limited versus NEPC India Limited AIR 1999 Supreme Court 565, the court restated the provision of section 9. The party may before or during arbitral proceeding or at any time after the making of the arbitral award, but before it is enforced in accordance with section 36, apply to a court for interim measures. The court went on the observe that in order to give full effect to the words before or during arbitral proceeding occurring in section 9, an applicant can file the application even where a notice invoking the arbitration clause has not been issued to the opposite party. A court will not be debarred from considering the application merely because no notice has been issued under section 21 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. Furthermore, the section specifies the interim measures that a party can apply for. Thus, under section 9, an application can apply to court for the appointment of a guardian for a minor or a person unsound mind for the purpose of the arbitral proceeding. Second, an applicant can make an application for interim prevention, interim custody or sale of any goods which are the subject matter of the arbitration agreement. An applicant can apply for interim measures securing the amount in dispute the arbitration. An applicant can apply for interim detention, prevention or inspection of any property or thing which is the subject matter of the dispute in arbitration or as to which any question may arise therein, and authorizing for any or aforesaid purpose any person to enter upon land or building in the possession of any party which may be by necessary or expedient for the purpose of obtaining full information or evidence. An applicant can apply for interim injunction. An applicant can apply for the interim appointment of a receiver. An applicant can apply for any other interim measures of protection which the court thinks in just and convenient. Where the applicant makes an application for any of these interim measures, the court is vested with the power to make such order as if it was making for the purpose of and in relation to any civil proceedings before it. Thank you so much.